go to the first website. This is the first website from Inspiria. So two students from Inspiria just created this site using Canva. So now if you look at this site, can you guess from where this is, this part of the site? Just pause this video and comment below. So this part of the site is just a screenshot from Book My Show. So this part of this site is a screenshot from Book My Show, and I'll show it to you. But before that, let's have a look at this navigation bar. This thing is created in Canva. So I have created more than over 500 designs on Canva, and I also work as a freelancer. So I've also helped my clients make designs, and I've also delivered a lot of designs using Canva. So I know what a Canva design looks like. And I've also created websites using Wix. I've also like completed the fundamentals or the foundations of UI UX design from Google. So basically when I see a site, I know from where it is made. From the look of the site, from this design and stuff like this, I can say this is not from Canva. And if you are someone like me, if you visit websites like Book My Show to book tickets, if you use other sites, and if you like have a good memory, if you like visit sites, and if you retain a picture of them in your mind, which I do, so you can just have a look, have a glance at the site, and you can just say that this site is nothing about designing. There is nothing about designing here. All are pictures. Of course you can use stock photos, right? This is a stock photo, and you can use stock photos to in your website to present how it would look like, how people, to represent different things, to like visually show people, to visually show books. If it is a book website, you can show books and stuff like that. You cannot just go around clicking pictures for just designing a site, right? So you can use stock photos. They are basically uh, copyright free. But in the case of designing, if you are just putting out screenshots, if you are just copy pasting screenshot, that is not actually designing, right? That is just copy pasting, that is just a copycat work. So that is not designing. If you even copy a design of a site, if you make it from scratch, like here you can see in the rules that you need to create using Canva only. So if you just copy it from, if you take inspiration from Book My Show, and if you just use icons from Canva, then you have recreated the site. That is not a copycat work. But here we can see it is just copy pasted. Now let me show you how it is copy pasted, right? So if I go to this thing, this page, you can see this is from the same website. So if I just go here, I have opened this image in a new tab. This is an image, and this is from Book My Show. If you don't believe it, just let me go to Book My Show. The same stuff. Just they took a screenshot and pasted it over there. And this is not only it. Basically, the entire site is copy pasted, like only screenshots. There's nothing about design here. If they told me that I can use screenshots, and if they told me that I can use anything, then I could have created much better site, and I could have won it. But I could have won the event. But you can see the rules, right? So basically, this site didn't follow any rules. And forget about rules, right? There is no like design guidelines being followed over here. Nothing. This is just a copycat work. And if you scroll down and look at this, let me just do inspect element over here. I click on inspect. So I don't know why my PC is acting so weird. Okay, but let's scroll down. You can see this part is also an image. If I click on this will open up. This is also an image, right? If I click on this, again this part is also an image. You can see the URL. I'm not making this stuff. It is like on the site. This is also a screenshot. This part of the site, This is also a screenshot. This part of the site, if I go over here, you can see the screenshot, right? This is a screenshot, and you can see the time. You can see this guy is using 5G network and 89% battery. So yeah, this whole site is basically screenshots. If the organizers have told me that you can use screenshots, you can just like make the whole site out of screenshots, then there's no need of Canva. I could have just used basic HTML or embed images or paint or stuff like that. See, this is also a screenshot, and this is also a screenshot. uh, this is also a screenshot. Basically the entire site is a screenshot, right? I don't need to waste my time in this video to show you that it is all a screenshot. You can also see the link. You can type in your browser and just have a look at it for yourself.